Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you this mesh tubing that I bought at the Dollar Tree. It is a lot of fun to work with, and if you have rope that is a little soft, this will make it very stiff and make the perfect bowl. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by taking a safety pin and putting it on the end, and then I am going to push it all the way through the tubing. It does take a little bit of time to do that, but it isn't that hard to do, and you just need to be patient with it. Maybe watch TV. I will speed it up so it goes a little faster. I haven't seen the tubing lately at the Dollar Tree. I know you can buy it on Amazon. I'm hoping that the Dollar Tree does get it back, but I'm also wondering if maybe you can buy it online through the Dollar Tree. Last I knew you had to buy 24 of them to order online, but it is so much fun to work with. And then once you get it to the end, I like to take the safety pin out of the rope, and then I want to pin the mesh and the rope together to make sure the rope doesn't pull back out. And then I like to go through the rope a couple times just to make sure there's no kinks in the rope. Just go through the whole thing. Also, if you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. That really helps my channel. And now I'm just going to put a little tape on the end and cut that off and get it ready to start the bowl. I like to pull it tight and then cut it off. Cut most of it off, about 3/4 of it off. I put my sewing machine on the zigzag stitch, and I also have the length and width at the widest available. And then I just make a little circle and go back and forth over it just to make sure I have all the spots covered, and then just start sewing it. You want to make sure you check for holes. This is a great time to fix them. And when you get the base where you want it, you would just want to tilt it up and start making your bowl. Now I'm just going to pick out a snap. I will leave a link to this in the description if you are interested. I will also leave a link to that glue gun. It is a cordless glue gun, and I just love it. It makes using it a lot easier without having the cord attached. And I'm going to end it the same way I did with the beginning, with a little piece of tape, putting it on pretty tight, cutting 3/4 of it off. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue in the middle there so I can put the snap on. And I wanted to show you all the different colors that are available in the mesh and also how strong this bowl is. That rope that I used was very soft, but when I put the mesh and the rope together, it made it so strong. I love using my bowls in my sewing room. Here is my English paper piecing templates, and this will work out perfect to keep them in here. This was a lot of fun to make. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I'd also like to thank you so much for watching.